بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Part 3 of the concepts. Here we're going to study أقسام الكلام, the parts of speech. أقسام الكلام, parts of speech. So as we know already, there are three parts of speech. There's the الاسم, الفعل, والحرف. There's an اسم, فعل, حرف. So let's talk about the اسم. So examples, alhamdulillah, we're very familiar with this. كتاب, القلم, هو, أنا, هذا, الذي. This is man, this should be man, right? Man and aina. Let's, as a definition, it says ما دل على مسمى محسوس أو غير محسوس, or it should be أو غير محسوس وليس له علاقة بالزمن. Okay, to define an ism, it is that which indicates or points to a musamma, something that is named, right? And that thing that is named is mahsus. Mahsus meaning it is something that you can see, something that you can smell, something you can hear, something you can taste, or something you can touch. Right? That's the meaning of mahsus. Something that is sensed. أو غير محسوس, or something that is not mahsus. Like for instance, there's a concept. You're talking about a concept. There are many words. It's considered an ism, but it's not mahsus. وليس, but this is important. وليس له علاقة بالزمن. It does not have any connection to a time, a specific time. Okay. As for the fi'l, okay, the fi'l, the verb now. Examples: كتب, get a past tense here. يكتب, present tense. اكتب, أمر. كان, فعل ماضي ناقص. And ليس as well. Okay, these are all verbs, right? What do you know about verbs? You know, you conjugate them. They're conjugated. Okay, so let's look at the definition here. ما دل على معنى في نفسه, that which indicates or has a meaning in itself. Right? It indicates the meaning within itself. في نفسه, in itself. Right? وهو حدث, and that meaning is حدث. It's an action. Right? An action. It says, there's a mistake here. Let me correct this. Okay. Should be ويقترن. ويقترن بالزمن. ويقترن بالزمن, and it's connected to a specific time. It's connected to a specific time. So the three times, all right? Oh yeah, we can say the three times in a sense, but it's the madi, the past tense, the mudari, the present tense, and the amr. The amr, which is the command. Now when you command something in general, it's the near future. If you tell someone, idhab, go, when do you want them to go? You want them to go the minute your speech has finished, when you're finished saying go, right? Or anytime after that. So this is kind of future, but we don't consider this, we don't translate it as a future tense. When you want to make something future, you take the mudari, you add the sin and the other huruf and so on, okay? But again, the fi'l is divided into three categories: madi, mudari, and amr. Right? So the key things to pay attention to is that ما دل على معنى في نفسه, it has a meaning within itself. You can mention a sentence that just has a verb. Okay, if you say idhab, right? That's one word. What's in that sentence? One word. It's a verb. It's a fi'l, right? Now in reality, when we go into the technicality, we'll say yes, that's not just a verb. There's also a fa'il in it. There's a hidden pronoun who's actually doing the verb. But it's one word. Okay. So ما دل على معنى في نفسه وهو حدث ويقترن بالزمن. And there are three types. There's the ماضي, فعل ماضي, فعل مضارع, فعل أمر. And lastly, we have the harf. The harf, which we know you can translate as a particle. Okay. Examples are ما, there's ما, لا, نعم, لم, لن, the seen that goes in front of the فعل, في, حرف جر, من, على, and there are others. You know, we just put some examples here, inshallah. So the definition of the fi'l is ما دل على معنى في غيره, that which has a meaning, right? في غيره, but that meaning does not become apparent until it has another word with it. Okay, so this harf, it doesn't become clear what it means until there's a word next to it, or until it's put in a sentence. Okay, and that's something that you would find across the board when it comes to the huruf. A harf can mean one thing in a sentence and mean another in another sentence, depending on the context. Right? So ما دل على معنى في غيره. So those are the 3 parts of speech, and that concludes this concept number 3.